Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix App Store not working on iPhone iOS 17 without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1: close the app, reopen again. Close the app and reopen again App Store, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and restarting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reset all setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all settings. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check iOS version. Firstly, tap on setting app, scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update, if update is available, download and install the update, and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network settings. You can see appears on screen reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix App Store not working on iPhone iOS 17 is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.